Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to install the iOS beta on your iPhone 15 Pro Max in just 5 easy steps. Ready? Let's dive right in. First things first, back up your data. Use iCloud or iTunes to make sure all your important information is safe. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step. Next, enroll in the beta program. Head over to the Apple Beta Software Program website and sign in with your Apple ID. Simple, right? Now it's time to download the profile. Choose the iOS beta section and download the beta profile straight to your iPhone. Easy peasy. Once you've got the profile, install it. Go to Settings, then General, scroll to VPN and Device Management, select the profile and tap Install. You're almost there. Finally, update your iPhone. Go to Settings General, then Software Update. You'll see the beta version ready to download and install. Hit that button, and you're good to go. And there you have it. 5 easy steps to get the latest iOS beta on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Enjoy exploring all the new features. Don't forget to back up your data regularly and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.